my channel, my friends. Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy oatmeal breakfast, something that's filling and will keep you through the day and healthy. So here I have the organic instant oatmeal variety pack. I usually like to use 2 of those. I have a cup of hot water. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I have a splash that I'm going to place of soy milk right there, a drizzle of honey, some organic blueberries, and a Fuji apple that I'll slice up soon and put together.
I'll give you something real. Show me what you really feel. Don't let time get away from us. Only got this moment now. Whole world in your eyes, and I feel your light like the first time. My soul in your hands. This is our one chance. Waiting my whole life. Just try tonight. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. This is not the end. Everything just beginning. Just beginning. Just try tonight. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. This is not the end. Everything just beginning. Just beginning. This is a perfect night. I wanna see your light shine. Everything is alright.